Yes, you can watch Netflix in your Tesla Model S. Tesla's infotainment system treats your car like a mobile device, allowing you to stream Netflix directly on the 17-inch touchscreen. This feature is part of Tesla's full self-driving supervised software stack. To watch, you'll need a Netflix subscription and an internet connection. You can connect either through Tesla's built-in 4G or 5G modem, or use a Wi-Fi hotspot. Streaming is disabled while actively driving above 5 miles per hour for safety. Open the Netflix app on your Tesla's touchscreen. You'll find it in the app menu. Sign in using your existing Netflix email and password, or link your account via Google or Apple ID. Two-factor authentication is supported for added security. Once logged in, your profiles are saved, making it easy for different family members to switch accounts. The sign-in process is simple and intuitive. Netflix uses adaptive bitrate streaming technology to automatically adjust video quality based on your internet connection speed. This ensures smooth playback even when your connection fluctuates by dynamically changing the bitrate from high definition down to standard definition as needed. The Tesla Model S supports streaming resolutions up to 1080p on its touchscreen display. This provides crisp, high-definition viewing for movies and shows directly from the car's infotainment system. Audio playback is flexible, allowing you to listen through the car's built-in speakers for a surround sound experience, or connect Bluetooth headphones for private viewing. To enjoy the best streaming experience in your Tesla, make sure you have a stable and strong internet connection. Weak signals can cause buffering or quality drops, so consider using Wi-Fi or a reliable cellular plan. Streaming Netflix consumes data. Expect to use approximately 1 to 7 gigabytes per hour depending on video quality. SD uses about 1 gigabytes per hour, HD uses 3 gigabytes per hour, and 4K uses up to 7 gigabytes per hour. Tesla offers data plans starting at $10 per month for 2 gigabytes. This can add up quickly with Netflix streaming. To avoid high data costs, use Wi-Fi tethering from your smartphone for unlimited data, or enable Data Saver in Netflix settings to reduce bitrate. To minimize data usage, connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible. Use Wi-Fi tethering from your smartphone for unlimited data access or connect to home networks. This is especially important when downloading content, as it uses no cellular data. Enable the Data Saver feature within the Netflix app to lower video quality and significantly reduce data consumption. This setting can save up to 50% of your data usage by adjusting bitrate and resolution. Access it through the app's settings menu. Pre-download your favorite movies and shows via Wi-Fi before hitting the road. This allows for completely offline viewing with zero data usage during playback. Look for the download icon in the Netflix app to save content for your trip. Monitor your data usage through Tesla's built-in data dashboard on the touchscreen. This shows real-time cellular consumption, helping you stay within your data limits and avoid unexpected overage charges. Safety is Tesla's top priority. The driver focus mode prevents video playback while the vehicle is in motion above 5 miles per hour. Streaming resumes when the car is parked or in passenger mode. This ensures the driver is not distracted while driving. Remember to prioritize safety and avoid watching videos while actively operating the vehicle. The future looks bright for in-car entertainment. Tesla continues to enhance its app ecosystem. Expect to see more data-efficient technologies, AI-driven content recommendations, and potentially even voice-activated streaming via AI assistants. Tesla's V26.2 update might integrate with the Energy app for solar-powered downloads. Keep an eye out for these exciting advancements.